I'm sick and tired of these fish hiding. Show yourself. Whoa. I thought that was gonna be a lot bigger. What is that? A pickerel?
What? Those are out here.
What the? That is a big pickerel. That's crazy. Look at him, dude. Well, that could explain a lot of the explosions. Look at this guy. Wow, he's sick looking.
A picture with a freaking blade on your goddamn tree.
That is so sick. Wow, he's such a weird flapper.
Oh, headstrong.
These guys have a lot of fight in them. I don't want to let you go yet. I just want to clean you off. Look at him. That is super cool. They got mean, angry teeth. Go ahead, dude. It's a big dog. My blade stayed. Made my own doohickey. Got that one. That's cool.